if you are living in Ghana with no experience, no job, and you want to know the secrets to make money online, then this video is for you, because I'll be sharing my story of how I made my first $400 online with absolutely zero digital experience. And guess what? I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process on how I achieved this feat and how you can do the same. So whether you are a student, unemployed, or just looking for some side hustle, you can take some inspiration from this to build up. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into how I made my first $400 online in Ghana with no experience. Alright, so when it comes to making money online, most people assume it's a scam, but that's not the case. It's either you lack the right information, laziness, or you just don't have the patience to build up. What? Yeah, you heard me right. I've been there before until I discovered this website through a friend who made me my first $400 online in 2018 without having to do any difficult tasks. And when I log into my account right now and go to the payment section, you will see that I have over $400 as my lifetime earnings. Unfortunately, I got this account busted because I faked my location as someone from the USA by using a VPN. But the good news is that I was able to create a new account with my Ghanaian IP, and that even got me more money as of 2024. So you see, having the right information can help you start making money online in Ghana on a good note. But one thing you must have in mind is that you have to cut ties with laziness and be willing to have patience with whatever side hustle you begin with. Now, the platform where I generated my first $400 is called utest.com, and I have previously made a full tutorial about this platform, which you can check this video to learn more about it. And according to Trustpilot, the Utest platform is safe with a 4.6 star rating out of 5, making it a safe place to work and get paid. Now, utest.com is one of the largest communities of testers that collectively test thousands of products for hundreds of companies every day. And they will pay you to help them test these products, such as websites, apps, and other home accessories. Now, when I log into my Utest account and go to payment summary, you will see my earnings history, which for the start, I got paid $40, $222.50, and $170, making a total of $432.50. The good thing is that the Utest platform is still active and you can join and also start working with them. But take note, the platform only pays through PayPal at the moment, so ensure you have one for yourself. And if for any reason you don't have a PayPal account, you can click on the upper card here and learn how to create one for free. And I also have a video on how to convert your PayPal funds to Momo, which I'm going to leave the link in this video description. So that's how I made my first $400 online in Ghana. And guess what? I invested $50 out of the money to set up a blog, and later in 2022, I generated over $2,000 through Google AdSense revenue. So you see, making money online is not a scam. All you need to do is to channel your energy to the right sources and you're good to go. I can tell you for a fact that since 2018, I have not worked under any company. However, I won't encourage you to quit your 9-to-5 job while starting any online side hustle. If you've watched this video this far, congratulations! Send the code on the screen to any of my social media handles for a 1 GB free data. However, it is limited to only 10 people. And if you've gotten any inspirations from this video, smash the like button and share your thoughts with us in the comment section. And also remember to share this video to your friends. If earning $5 every day is not small for you, you can watch this video on your screen. See you on the next one. My name is Regina Diamond and I'm out.